Everybody, this is Ms Fran and welcome again to another video class. Today, being the last day of the week, we have an incredible science experiment to make. So, for this science experiment, we need plastic cups, we need paper towel, can you hear? And food coloring. And I think I'm also forgetting something very important. Lots of water. So now you will see what I want to do. We today are going to create a rainbow of color using paper towel and water in cups. How is that possible? You're going to ask yourself. Well, join me to this science experiment using lots of paper towel and I will show you. First of all, we need to take 3 sheets of paper towel, and I'm going to fold them like this. We need to fold them because we're going to do the following. We're going to put this one here. In a circle, I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cups, and I'm going to put some food coloring. I'm going to use blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since I have only 3 colors, I'm going to use them twice, but if you have more or if you want to mix, it is okay. The more color, the more the fun. I'm going to use 5 of red as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm missing 1 color. Yellow. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to take this and put it on a side, and I'm going to pour some water on my cups, and you're going to see how our water is going to be of a color. This is red. I'm going to take this so we can do it maybe a little faster. Always be careful when we use these materials like water that you can spill. It's going to be very messy. We should always ask for help to mommy and daddy, maybe grandma, maybe your brothers, sisters, all the people at home. One more blue, oopsies, and 1 more red. And now we're going to have color water. I'm going to put this on a side so it doesn't spill, and I'm going to proceed to put the paper towel. I'm going to cut the edges. Where's my scissor? Here. A little bit, and I'm going to put it here. As the towel paper will start to absorb all the water, we will be able to see how the colors mix and blend. I'm going to fold it and fold it again. I'm going to cut the edges and I'm going to put it here. From blue to yellow. Like that. can you see over here the yellow is reaching this part and the red over here? And 2, 3. And I'm going to do now with the red and the blue. Going to cut here the edge. And I'm going to put it here. So in the end, what we're going to have is a sort of rainbow on each cup, and that the food coloring will go from one side to the other. Can you see over here how the red is coming up? And can you see here the yellow and the blue as well? What about here, the red and the yellow? They are almost finding each other. So, do you remember what color we have from yellow and red? Orange. So maybe in the end, when they meet in the middle, we're going to see a beautiful orange color. So this is our rainbow experiment. Rainbow made of water and color. What fun! I hope that if you make it at home, you can use more colors, or maybe instead of mixing this one, you can mix green and yellow, or maybe orange and blue, and see all the mixes that we have. So I hope that this week has been incredible for you as it has been for me, and see you in the next one with another topic and more fun. Bye bye.